everyone, welcome to another video from inside the Denali Design Lab. My name is Nate Bastian, I'm the Director of Product Development here, and today we are going to make a super quick video to show you some of the development that we've done on this brand new Triumph Tiger 660 Sport. So let's go take a look at what we're coming out with for this bike. So starting from the front here, we've added a pair of our D2s on a custom bike-specific light mount. So there they are right there, tucked in super neat and clean. These are mounted on a machined bracket that hooks up to the triple trees, and it gives it a really OEM factory look and gives you all the light output of our D2. This mount's gonna also fit with DM lights as well. If we swing around to the left side of the bike, we've got a Sound Bomb horn mount. That's our Sound Bomb original, mounted on our vehicle specific horn mount. And then if we move to the rear of the bike, you can see that we've got our T3s. So these are a modular switchback turn signal. They run red and brake red. And on this bike, which I'll demo in a second, they're gonna mimic exactly what those factory turn signals do, which actually brake and turn red. So this puts out a ton of visibility behind you, and we'll demo it in just a second. So thanks for checking out what we got planned for this Triumph Tiger 660. Definitely subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to be notified when we release more content on this bike or any others. And until next time, ride safe, and we'll see you soon.